Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your name on a certificate. Changing your name legally involves several steps, starting with understanding the specific requirements in your jurisdiction. You'll need to gather all relevant documents, such as your current birth certificate and identification. The process typically begins by filing a formal petition with the court, which initiates the legal proceedings for your name change. Next, let's focus on building the corresponding area. Start by constructing a massive nether portal frame, a size of 23 by 23 block. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Minecraft tutorials. Quick recommendation: just like building an efficient farm, managing your real-world resources is key. Check out *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's set up the collection and killing system. Create a drop chute directly beneath your spawning platform to guide the piglins down. At the bottom, use hoppers connected to chests to automatically collect all the valuable gold nuggets and experience orbs. For killing, a simple fall damage trap or a controlled lava blade works perfectly. This ensures you maximize your gains with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.